What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel again. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm. It is extremely important to bring more awareness to the channel to help more people become informed and learn about investing into the crypto, stocks, and NFT space as well. So first off, come join our private investment community here on Facebook, Private Stock Market Game. We got over 6,200 active investors that you can come learn and grow with. Also, we got free 99 alerts that I share inside of this group to help members catch some of those plays that I'm investing in, and also members sharing plays themselves. So you want to tap in. We got millionaires inside of this group that have made 7 figures from the plays that are called inside of this group. So come tap in with us. Also follow me at DecemberDeMarco on Twitter. And just so y'all know, I will be representing Shiba Inu and bringing awareness to the Shib ecosystem at Miami NFT Week. So of course we're going to be talking about the Shiboshis, covering other NFT projects as well, and just seeing if there's a potential to add value to our ecosystem through what's going on in the bigger ecosystem. So stay tuned for that. Come follow Miami NFT Week to get tapped in with that. So shout out to the Shib Army. But I really want to talk about this article here from Analytics Insight. So Shiba Inu Whales are leaving the radar. Is it a hectic time for Shib? So let's talk about this. So since March 15th, the number of Shiba Inu holders has dropped 3.55% from 1.19 million to 1.15 million. Following the intense bearish pressures in early March, cryptocurrency investors are reluctant to pour money into the decentralized ecosystem. Despite the gloomy market, Shiba Inu shined a bright light on the investors and attracted their attention since the beginning of 2022. Although Shib is also on the downfall, it managed to keep the investors on track, but not anymore. Since March 15th, the number of Shiba Inu holders has dropped from 3.55% to 1.19 million, or 3.55% from 1.19 million to 1.15 million holders. Remarkably, Shiba Inu Whales have played an important role in this fall. Amidst the ongoing geopolitical tensions between Russia and Ukraine, the cryptocurrency market has suffered a lot, starting from Vladimir Putin using digital tokens to evade the Western sanctions to Ukraine getting cryptocurrency donations. The war in crisis changed the outlook of the cryptocurrency sphere. However, this didn't give a boost to the decentralized ecosystem. Despite the ongoing revolution, many digital tokens, including meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, are performing under the radar. Bitcoin and Ethereum are no different. Shib now has a market capitalization of roughly 13.3 billion and occupies the 15th position in the cryptocurrency market by valuation. But the Dogecoin competitor's price is down 72% from its all-time high last October. From the beginning of 2022, the only thing that kept Shiba Inu going was its whale accumulation. So despite the construction of a bullish trend in the Shib ecosystem, its numbers fall in a number of metrics such as burn rate, contributors, bullish sentiments, volatility, and social volumes. Owing to the increasing speculations, Shiba Inu whales are taking a step back now. So I see, a lot of, the choosy Susie ones jumping in and out, looking for a project to save the day. But for the most part, to go from 1.19 million holders to only 1.15, that's a fraction. That's nothing really. There's going to be a portion of people that are jumping around looking for the best project. But what's happening to those people those are the ones that are actually losing money. So they're selling for a loss if they bought high. So these markets are a device to transfer money from the hands of the patient to the impatient. So those people that are impatient, they bought in, the price dipped, or they might have bought in and the price didn't go up as much as they wanted it to in the time period that they expected it to. Those people will do what's called paper handing out. Or, when we are on a slight decline, some people that might have bought in right at that point can see the price dip, and they could do something that's called panic selling, which, they get the emotion of that they're going to lose their investment. And so for that reason, they may sell. Especially, imagine if you're there's a lot of new money in the crypto space, a lot of new millionaires. So these aren't all savvy investors when we see multi-million-dollar purchases. This could be somebody that just, he bought into something early, made a lot of money on some things, or is a fairly good investor with certain aspects, but doesn't understand the aspect of long-term investing. So once they, put a couple million in, see that lose, 10, 15%, that can make somebody panic sell, and to them that might be a lot of money. So let's keep going right here. But I'm not panicking over this at all, because I told y'all since last year I'm in this 5 years plus. Not sure how long y'all are. Drop in the comment section. Let me know how long you plan on holding. But I told y'all I'm planning on accumulating and holding Shiba Inu for 5 to 10 years plus, because that's how bullish I am about this project. And I'm gonna be also trying to provide value to the ecosystem as well. And I encourage a lot of y'all that have any skill set or abilities, capabilities to be able to bring value to the Shiba Inu ecosystem to start to think of ways to do that, because it's going to take an entire community effort, to increase the burn rate, to increase, utility and awareness, and, all these other things that's going to take to push us to that 1 cent goal. But I believe this is the strongest community in crypto, and I believe we'll get that done. So the whales purchasing Shiba Inu was high since January. Since the cryptocurrency market entered a bear state, the movement of digital tokens and wallets was less. But Shiba Inu whales have been grabbing the slightest opportunity to get on the bull run for a while now. When SHIB price recorded a 5% recovery, an anonymous whale grabbed 271 billion tokens worth more than 6 million. On the other hand, the top 500 Ethereum whales have also been purchasing billions of Shiba Inu tokens. According to experts, the reason behind the whales purchasing SHIB is to average their position. By doing so, they can capitalize on both long-term and short-term gains. So what they mean by that is, some people might have bought in at a higher price, when things were taking off and the price starts to pull down. So what they do is dollar cost average, or, instead of over a period of time, they're just, dropping a lump sum at a lower dip, because they know once that price recovers, they'll make their gains back faster. So that's a way for people who are holding not only long-term, but short-term as well, to be able to make gains and take some profits off the table, reducing risk, as they still hold their longer position. So, that's something normal. That's average. That's something you should expect to see. So, let's keep going. Ethereum, according to whale stats analysts, whales prefer to buy Shiba Inu next to Ethereum. It is currently the second largest investment on top holders. On March 16th alone, ETH whales have bought 50 trillion or 50 billion SHIB tokens worth 1.1 million. In February, Whale Stats has reported that Shiba Inu has once again entered the top most purchased cryptocurrency list. Ethereum whales play a significant role in giving a boost to SHIB, although Shiba Inu is down by 75% from its all-time high. Ethereum whales are flocking the dogecoin killer. This clearly shows the love of ETH whales for the SHIB token. Connect the dots, y'all. ETH whales love Shiba Inu token. They are expecting these prices to recover. Yes, a lot of hype is dying down. Yes, we're seeing a lot of other projects get, a lot of good catalysts and news, but y'all got to realize we're laying the foundations right now. We are building, horizontally. We're getting the ecosystem in place. We're building, connections that other people haven't done yet. So we have our fast food restaurant franchise coming. We got our fashion partnership. We have our metaverse opportunity. We have our games in development. We have our blockchain being developed. We have our own NFTs. We have a ton of things that the team is working on. And like I like to say, it takes the community as well to bring more things to the ecosystem. There's no rule against this that says that you yourself watching this video cannot find how you can bring value to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and create something and deliver it. Just all you have to do is do it. So, if you figure out a way to, increase the burn, make more wider adoption, whatever you can help do, you should be doing it. Especially for us that are 5 years plus. So that's my, my part. A portion of my part is, doing these videos, keeping the community updated, informing new investors about Shiba Inu, keeping a finger on the pulse of the entire community, and also going out spreading awareness about Shiba Inu as well, like I'll be doing in Miami for NFT week. So make sure y'all subscribe if y'all want to keep up. I'll be vlogging that event, covering it full, in depth. We got access to the private party, everything. So we got full access in there. So make sure y'all tune in. But let's see where we are. The massive buying has created a positive movement for Shiba Inu. When big wallets go on a buying spree, they burn some tokens to raise the value and create scarcity. Experts predict that it could be the case with Shiba Inu Whales. The big wallets might be planning to burn a massive amount of SHIB tokens to accumulate value and make an impact on the price, so connect the dots. The big wallets might be planning to burn a massive amount of SHIB tokens to accumulate value and make an impact on price. So we could have some wallets in the background that our team held wallets on, this top 500 holders list of ETH whales, and they could be accumulating some, Shiba Inu to burn themselves. So, that would be a shocker to the community. If we seen, a few $100 million get burned, or even $50 million, or $100 million get burned in Shiba Inu. So pay attention. Let's see what comes from this. But how long can this last? Although the buying and burning trend could give a boost in the long term, currently it is facing backlash. While Shiba Inu whales are staking up their wallets with the dogecoin competitor, SHIB holders are taking a step back. In the past 5 days, Shiba Inu holders have dropped to 3.55% of the tokens since March 15th. The Shiba Inu holders have dropped drastically. However, this is not the first time it's facing such a situation. Earlier in January, also, Shiba Inu investors backed off from the meme coin, only to come back and join again. So those choosy Susie ones I told y'all about. But for long-term players, the Shiba Inu whales exiting and joining is a normal thing. But for short-term investors, it could hurt their investment. So you got to remember, it's a balance between people that are buying in, hoping that it's going to skyrocket. It doesn't. They jump out the project, and as well as some people who are buying low and taking that 10% on. If you bought $10 million worth of Shiba Inu, you accumulated 10 million worth of SHIB on the dip, and you get a 10% gain on that. You just made $1 million. So you don't need to hold it, to all-time highs to see, $1 million. So you got to remember, a lot of people are actually, trading actively, or day trading, swing trading Shiba Inu as well. So keep that in mind. But I'm bullish, extremely bullish. Like I said, if you're in this for the long term, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Always do what's best for you and your family, your situation, whatever. But me personally, I'm not worried, and I know this is only going to get bigger. I understand the growth that we're having, and I understand the community that we have as well as a solid team behind us. So stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. That's all we got for this video, and we are out.